So we are going to be doing a flame test demo. We're going to look at the different colors that the excited electrons are going to show as they fall back down from their excited energy state to their natural or ground state. So we're going to see as they jump up, they're going to gain all the energy. As they fall down, we're going to see the color. So we're going to take a look at boron, copper, potassium, and lithium. So we'll get started with those. Alright you guys, I've got my goggles on, getting started. Here we go. We are going to start with potassium. Potassium, so no, it's hard to see there on the video. Potassium is burning a purple, purpley pink. It looks lilac. So our next one that we're going to see is borax. It's starting out as a white powder, just like potassium. And here we go. It looks orange in the flame. Our next is going to be lithium. Lithium in the flame turns a bright red. And last but not least is copper, which starts out as a green, as opposed to the other three, which were all white. So our green chemical here produces a green flame. It's a blue-green flame. If you saw this in person, the outer edges are green and the inner is blue. Okay. All right, in this segment, we're going to take a look at spectral tubes, and we're going to see different elements as their electrons are excited, what colors they will emit. So we're going to start with neon. So as we turn it on, our first element is going to be neon. So as you can see, it's turning a bright orange. If we take one of our spectrometers, and we're going to separate this into the different colors of light, you hold it up to the light and you're able to see the bands of color that it separates into. This one, for instance, separates into red, orange, yellow, and green. Our next element is helium. As we can see, it's glowing a nice, lovely blue there. In person, it has kind of a purpley undertone to it. And if we look through our spectral, it goes into, we can see the lines for red, orange, green, and then we can see an indigo and a violet line. Mercury is also glowing blue. This one's definitely bluer than the last one. As we look through our spectrometer, we can see that it separates it into, we've got red, orange, green, and a violet line this time. Krypton's glowing a nice light blue. And this one, as we can see, it separates into spectral lines including blue, green, yellow, and red.